My dear student, this session will see about limit test. What is the principle involved in the limit test for iron and how to we perform the limit test for iron. How can we compare with that? Here the color solution to be compared with the test to the standard solution. Let's see one by one. So limit, what is the principle involved in the limit test for iron? So it is based on the reaction of iron in ammoniacal solution with thioglycolic acid in presence of citric acid. Here the citric acid forms a complex with iron and prevent its precipitation of ammonia as ferric hydroxide. So what is the main function of citric acid here? It prevents precipitation by ammonia as ferric hydroxide. So it retains as in the form of ferrous form. So it will result to the formation of purple colored ferrous salt of thioglycolic acid. So this is the main functions of citric acid. So citric acid which doesn't allow to convert ammonia as in the form of ferric hydroxide precipitation by, so that the solution as in the form of retains in the form of ferrous. So that will give you color solution by giving by comparing the color with the test to the standard solution. We can identify the iron as this given in substance as iron in form of impurity present or not. So the ferrous thioglycolate is colorless in acid and neutral. In acidic medium, ferrous, that means Fe2 is oxidized as Fe3 plus in presence of thioglycolic acid. Hence, the solution become colorless. So the purple color is developed only in presence of alkali nature. Okay, so here let's see the reaction involved. That ferrous Fe2 plus known as ferrous, when treated with thioglycolic acid, it is converted into ferrous thioglycolate. If in case of alkali nature, then only the color will develop. Suppose in case of acidic, so that the color, its solution become colorless. So now what is how can we perform the test with the standard solution? Let's see. So first we can take as we have to labeled as take two Nessler cylinder labeled as test and standard solution. So in the test solution we have to add sample plus 40 ml of water and 2 ml of 20% weight by volume of iron free citric acid and 2 drops of thioglycolic acid solution made alkaline with ammonia, and the volume is adjusted to 50 mm. Allowed to stand and color developed, viewed vertically and compared with the standard solution. So the same solution except sample and standard solution, the remaining and all we have to add the same what we already added in the test solution. That means 2 drops of thioglycolic acid and alkaline with ammonia and adjusted to 50 ml. 50 ml allowed to stand and color developed, viewed vertically and compared with the test solution. So here in the test solution, the test to be detected standard solution, the prescribed quantity of standard solution to be added in the standard solution. The remaining reagents are all same as we already added in the test to be added in the standard solution. So we can compare with the color solutions. Color comparison to the test with the test to the standard. So this is the test performed for the limit test for iron. So we can compare this, we already labeled as cylinder test as labeled as cylinder A or cylinder B, or we can call it as test and standard. So in the test solution, in the test cylinder, what is the test to be given? Unknown inorganic substance to be placed and the standard specified quantity of the substance to be added in that. Then after adding of citric acid, thioglycolic acid and ammonia, and so we can compare with that test and standard solution. So you may observe with the color comparison. Here you may see that the test has less intense the test as less intense than that of your standard, so the test passes the limit test. Suppose in case of the test has more intense than that of your standard solution, so the test fails the limit test for iron. Thank you.